On this week's video, we're gonna go through a full week of workouts. I'm gonna show you my current workout split. So Monday through Friday, my mic was muted the whole entire week when I was recording my actual workouts. So I am recording this separately just to let you know what the video is about. There's not gonna be audio on the workouts. I'm just gonna put music over it and I'm gonna do like a text overlay so that way you guys know what the workout's about. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and I only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. For my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
I don't mean to put it on your nose, but it's clear how my baby's running this a block, cause you fear what you do to you if you get dirty hands and veneer. What you do, what she is, little boy, I tell you this. If baby wants sit, she can sit. If baby says lit, it's lit. Got your bank account and that cute. If she said it loud, it's the truth. If baby wanna ride, she can ride. If baby needs some time, she got time. Got your bank account and that cute. Make it count, how about you? She would put you in the bag, yeah. Wouldn't even need a planet. If she wanted, she a magnet. They should let her name a planet. Everything she drop like Corona, viral, make the world start over like a owner. She ain't about to set, but they really wanna throne her. Listen, she like bass, she like Hover. Self-employed, moving paper better than some Billy Boy. Made a choice on the regular, she bring a milli home. Click my phone, get my ass up, get a dinner going. Watch she out there, making sure that you all know. Baby wants sit, she can sit. If baby says lit, it's lit. Got your bank account and that cute. If she said it loud, it's the truth. If baby wanna ride, she can ride. Baby needs some time, she got time. Got your bank account and that cute. She can make it count, how about you? She be always making money, if it's raining, if it's sunny. She make time to call me honey every day. Drop a couple bands on the click, they need pay. Then a couple more on the tip, baby saves. Daddy's just the everyday, imagine holiday. If I get the 50 cents, she get me holidays. Signing with the fly, if you meet her, know it's true. So if she ever asks you, you know that baby wants sit, she can sit. If baby says lit, it's lit. Got your bank account and that cute. If she said it loud, it's the truth. If baby wanna ride, she can ride. Baby needs some time, she got time.
blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I would get spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. Made a wish, now I'm here now. It's for real now. I got everything I wanted and it's jumping like for real now. Out the mud, just an upstate boy. Now I'm living like for real now. Ain't nothing, just an action with some muscle. Same fit 4 days, I just blame it on the hustle. Got these tattoos on my skin, I promise I'm no trouble. I'm from cash inside the duffel, not 6 the size of Russell. I get fly, you be crutching on designer that ain't fly. And then I scoop the cat or something fast for when I slide. Burning rubber, they gon' tax me for the tires, it's alright. On my lonely, I just start up that new iron and I ride. Yeah, this is not a trend. Tattoos on my skin, I'm my daddy's twin. I'm a businessman, just like Jigga said. Pennies to an end. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down.
So next we are going to do walking lunges. I'm gonna do it on the dumbbells. So I came outside also to get some sun, but the sun was hiding from me, so here we are. We are listening to Okay by JT. I'm into her music this week. Let's go.
Look at my neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe, got a bin fire.
Oh, the sun's out. I literally went all the way inside to get some dumbbells, but there's some dumbbells over there. Second set of walking lunges, so let's get it.
Got bin fire. I get that check right. Look, off of that side. Wave, look, hey, I don't do no fake love. Tell lil' bruh shape up. The way we lit, they throwing shade, but they never say nothing.
These are the dumbbells I was telling you guys. They're a little bit rusty, but they're more over there. Higher weights too, so.
21, about to be mine, word to my day ones. So you shooting blindside, I aim straight for the frames, huh? I don't take no L's, my boy, I learn from y'all mistakes, huh? I just up my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction, everything been so surreal. I'm trying to get used to keeping check of how I feel.
Next up, we're gonna do dumbbell sumo squats.
To the game, she got a pill. I'm much more concerned with how my time about to be billed. Need a couple meal tickets in my pocket till the bill. Quick to flip a bill, jump about a profit. I'm a real hitter with them wheels spinning, never stopping, I'm a boss. Yeah, getting top in the backseat. Deck a critic and an analytic. Independent and we just beginning. Clearing anybody interfering. Tough loss, keep it tucked off. It's something plush, do the brush off. Free spirit, make a trust fall, right? Look at my neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe, got bin fire. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe, got bin fire. Next fashion week, we touching pay, yeah, that's necessary. Double G.
I'm gonna do 2 more of those, and I'm done for the day. I'm gonna be exhausted, so I'm gonna go get food and then go home. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I don't do pretend, I don't like percents. I'm not cool with friends of friends. I don't do the trends, I set them, I ain't lacking. I can't do content. Double rope chain necklace make her wet, she jumping out of skin. The Brody almost caught her straight from round away on split decision. We treat now like all we got is the moments we in. Always want to keep it real. Lately I can't really tell if they bout the things they saying or they say it just to sell. Ain't worry about no bill. Cause when you building what we build, you know we headed where the bread is. Got the squad up going with me. Subtle flex, I need that check, so f*** a hype beast. Last year wasn't it, but now my life been moving light speed. I was down bad, but now we way up where them kites be. Flip that to a movie, I star in, same time I'm Spike Lee. I know they tight, I turn my life into they pipe dream. She say she wanna sightsee, let's start with what the night brings. Look at my neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side, I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired, I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that west side, I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired.
No drip, this tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check. No drip, this tell them run it up.
That's the whole entire workout for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a like and comment below what your suggestions are, what you've liked so far, if you like this type of videos. Also, if there is any of the workouts that you want me to go in depth in, or if there is, you know, other videos that you would like to see, make sure you put that in the comments. I will take all suggestions. Also, make sure you guys share this video with your friends. More shares we get, more the channel grows as well. I will see you guys on the next video.